I just want to ask everyone a quick question. Do you guys think I'm justified in buying a pressure cleaner? Just have a look back here. Have a look at all that. Let's go for a bit of a walk around. We'll see if I need a pressure cleaner. Now, here's the front of my shed. The concrete slab. And this is all caused by the humidity and moisture that's everywhere. Let's have a quick look at the shed. Does everyone think this needs cleaning? Here's the side of the shed. The other side pretty much looks the same. Here's the back of the shed. Let's go over to the gym and have a look. Need to sort that mess out there once I get round to it. But let's have a look at the concrete. I think it does need cleaning. Here's a look at the back of the gym. Our septic system. That could use a bit of a clean up. The other side of the gym. And here's the front of the house. Looks pretty bad. I think it really does need cleaning. Now, after having a look at that, leave a comment down below. Do you think I need a pressure cleaner to clean up that mess? And also, what brand pressure cleaner would you guys recommend that I buy? There's 3 main brands that sell at Bunnings. And maybe there's something else that you guys recommend. Have a look at that. That's not a bad shot, is it? What do you guys think? Which one should I buy? Leave your comment down below, leave a big thumbs up, and smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.